Hey everybody, my name is James and tonight I'm going to show you how to emulate key system functionality with lines on a Grandstream UCM. In a lot of key systems, clients like their phones to be set up so that they see every single line. So when you have a CO trunk come in, the company may have 4 trunks coming in and they want to see line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. That way they know if somebody's on the phone. Across all of their phones, they can see that line in use. They can just touch the line and dial out. So that's what we're going to emulate here with the Grandstream PBX. A lot of IP PBXs don't allow this function, or at least the ones that I've dealt with don't allow for this function. That's why the Grandstream UCM is such a great product. It can help you bridge the gap from a key system to a VoIP system. You can get a lot of the VoIP features and everything and still maintain some of the features that the clients are used to with their old key systems. Okay, once we're logged into our Grandstream PBX, we click on Extensions and Trunks. First, we need to add our analog trunks into the system. So right now I'm using a 6204, so that means I'll have 4 trunks that I can add. Go click on Analog Trunks, then Create New Analog Trunk. We'll select the first FXO port, and we're going to name it Trunk 1. And then we go down under the Advanced Options and choose SLA Mode. Okay, everything else should be good. There's a lot of settings in here you can tweak after the fact, but we're just going to go with the defaults for now. So once you're done with that, go ahead and click Save, and then repeat for the rest of your trunks. So trunk 2, SLA mode, trunk 3, SLA mode, trunk 4, SLA mode, and save. So now we have our trunks built. The next thing we want to do is go down to SLA station. In SLA station, you will take one of the stations that you have, or as many stations, you'll build as many stations in here as you have in the system that you want these lines to appear on their phones. So we will go with station name. My first station is 1000. I named it 1000. You can name it whatever you want. So we'll go down to office, which is my 1000. And now we're going to add the 4 SLA trunks to it. And we go ahead, once you check them all, then you go to the middle box here and move them over, and then hit save. And now let's apply the changes. Okay. Next, what I'd like to do is I like to build the inbound route right away. So move down to my analog trunk, and you'll repeat this per analog trunk. So I just want my analog trunks to ring into my ring group that I built. So we'll go to default destination, and we will go to ring group, and my main incoming ring group, which rings all of my phones, is right there. We'll click save. And like I said, we'll repeat this for all of the trunks. Now, next I would go to outbound routes, and I would build my outbound routes for each trunk, which is just your normal outbound routes. You just route them out. Um, I don't have a need for it in this demonstration, so I'm not going to do it right now. We go ahead and we apply the changes. Okay, so next we need to add the buttons to the phone. So we go down. I'm going to go to the value added features to 0 config. I'm going to find my phone that I want to add these to. Click on the web icon. Once we log in, now we'll go to settings, programmable keys, and then virtual multi-purpose keys. I want my 4 lines to start at button number 7 for my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and click edit VPK. The mode is going to be BLF, busy lamp field. For account 1, I like to put the phone number here. So we're going to do 618-555-1111. Here's the value. So what you want to put here is the extension number and then the trunk name that you built in the SLA, in the trunks when you made the SLA trunk. So once you have that, you click save and repeat per the lines that you want to add. Oh, extension number, then trunk name. Click save. Then we do save VPK. And now those 4 buttons are displayed on the phone, and you can, if you have a line plugged into one of the buttons, you can actually press and you can dial out and hear dial tone. So now I'm going to switch to my cell phone to record video of my phone. I've tried to bring my phone up to this camera and show it from there. I've tried various different things. The best thing I could come up with is setting the background on my phone to be black and using my cell phone. So I apologize for the quality of that. I don't have a lot of brand new gear, a lot of good cameras and stuff to show all this stuff off like everybody else does. So if anybody would like to give me that equipment, I would definitely learn to use it and incorporate it in the videos. But right now, I don't have the cash, and this is what you're going to see. Thank you. Now you'll see that the 4 lines are built on the phone, and I do have a POTS line plugged into line 2. So we'll go ahead and press it. And there we have our dial tone. And that's it for the shared line appearances in the Grandstream UCM product line. If you guys have any questions, comments, please put them below, and please subscribe. Thank you.